Imagine exploring the world on two wheels while carrying your own tiny home behind you. In this video, we showcase 7 incredible bicycle campers that redefine adventure travel. From DIY creations and solar-powered campers to pop-up shelters and micro-mobile homes, these innovative designs prove that comfort and mobility can go hand in hand. Whether you're a cycling enthusiast or simply love unique inventions, these bicycle campers are sure to inspire your next journey. Number 1. Bike Camper Trailer. The Bike Camper Trailer is a unique and practical invention that allows cyclists to travel long distances while carrying their own portable shelter. Designed as a lightweight trailer that attaches to the rear of a bicycle, it combines transportation, storage, and camping accommodation in one compact package. This innovative setup is especially popular among bike tourers, adventure travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want the freedom to explore without relying on hotels or traditional campsites. Once the rider reaches a destination, the trailer can be unfolded or expanded into a comfortable sleeping area. Many designs include a weather-resistant shell, waterproof fabric, ventilation windows, and a raised sleeping platform that keeps users off the ground. Some advanced models feature solar panels, USB charging ports, LED lighting, and additional storage compartments. Their aerodynamic shape helps improve efficiency, while durable wheels and suspension systems allow them to handle both paved roads and rough terrain. Price between $2,500 and $7,000. Number 2 is KAPRYS 2 Bicycle Camper. The KAPRYS 2 Bicycle Camper for 2 people is an innovative pedal-powered camper designed to provide comfortable accommodation for 2 travelers while being towable by a bicycle. Created with long-distance cycling adventures in mind, this unique camper combines transportation, storage, and shelter in a compact and efficient design. One of the standout features of the KAPRYS 2 is its spacious sleeping area, which comfortably accommodates 2 adults. The camper is built with a lightweight yet durable frame that helps reduce towing resistance while maintaining stability on the road. Its aerodynamic shape improves efficiency during travel, making it easier to pull over long distances. The camper is equipped with weather-resistant materials that provide protection from rain, wind, and other outdoor conditions. Large windows offer ventilation and natural light, creating a more comfortable living space during extended trips. The compact design also allows cyclists to set up camp quickly without carrying heavy tents or additional shelter equipment. Price at $3,000 and $8,000. Number 3. Paul Elkins DIY Micro Mobile Home. The Paul Elkins DIY Micro Mobile Home is a remarkable example of creative engineering and affordable mobile living. Designed by inventor and builder Paul Elkins, this compact bicycle-powered camper demonstrates how a small budget and innovative thinking can create a fully functional portable home. Built primarily from lightweight and recycled materials, the Micro Mobile Home is intended for cyclists who want a simple, low-cost solution for travel and camping. The DIY camper reflects Paul Elkins' philosophy of sustainable living and creative reuse of materials. Many components can be sourced inexpensively, making the project accessible to hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. The design is simple enough for customization, allowing builders to add storage compartments, lighting, or other personal features according to their needs. Because it is a homemade project rather than a mass-produced product, costs vary depending on materials and modifications. The original DIY Micro Mobile Home was famously built for around $150, while upgraded versions in the United States may cost between $300 and $1,500 to construct. Number 4. Pop-up Bike Camper. The pop-up bike camper is a clever and compact camping solution designed for cyclists who want the convenience of a portable shelter without carrying a traditional tent on their backs. One of the standout features of the pop-up bike camper is its expandable structure. When folded, it remains compact and aerodynamic, making it easier to tow behind a bicycle. Upon arrival at a campsite, the trailer can be unfolded within minutes to create a sheltered sleeping area. Many designs include a raised bed platform that keeps the user off the ground, providing greater comfort and protection from moisture, insects, and uneven terrain. The camper is typically built using lightweight materials such as aluminum, plywood, and weather-resistant fabric. Large ventilation panels and windows help improve airflow while maintaining protection from rain and wind. Storage compartments are often integrated into the trailer, allowing riders to carry camping gear, clothing, food, and personal items without needing a heavy backpack. Price at $2,000. Number 5 source: Rene Kreher DIY Solar Bike Camper. The Rene Kreher DIY Solar Bike Camper is an impressive example of sustainable bicycle travel and off-grid living. Designed and built by adventurer Rene Kreher, this innovative camper combines a bicycle trailer, mobile shelter, and solar-powered energy system into one compact unit. One of the most remarkable features of the camper is its integrated solar panel system. The panels generate electricity to charge batteries that can power LED lights, smartphones, navigation devices, cameras, and other small electronics during extended trips. This self-sufficient setup reduces reliance on external power sources and makes the camper ideal for remote adventures. The trailer is built with lightweight materials to minimize towing effort while maintaining durability. During travel, it serves as a cargo carrier with space for clothing, food, tools, and camping supplies. Once parked, the structure transforms into a compact sleeping cabin that provides protection from rain, wind, and insects. Ventilation openings and practical storage compartments improve comfort during overnight stays. Price at $1,000. Number 6. Andrzej Kaminski Bike Camper. The Andrzej Kaminski Bike Camper is a creative bicycle-powered camping trailer designed to provide cyclists with a practical and comfortable mobile shelter. Developed by Polish inventor and cycling enthusiast Andrzej Kaminski, this unique camper demonstrates how bicycle travel can be combined with the convenience of a portable home. One of the key features of the bike camper is its compact yet functional design. While being towed, it serves as a streamlined cargo trailer capable of carrying camping equipment, clothing, food supplies, and personal belongings. Once the rider reaches a campsite, the trailer can be transformed into a comfortable sleeping space, eliminating the need for a separate tent. The enclosed structure provides protection from rain, wind, insects, and changing weather conditions, making outdoor travel more convenient. Number 7. Warsaw DIY Bike Camper from Japan. The DIY Bike Camper from Japan is a fascinating example of compact engineering and creative bicycle travel. While traveling, the structure functions as a compact trailer that carries essential gear, clothing, food supplies, and camping equipment. Once the rider reaches a destination, the trailer unfolds into a small but comfortable sleeping cabin. The enclosed design provides protection from rain, wind, insects, and changing weather conditions, allowing cyclists to rest comfortably almost anywhere. The camper is typically built using lightweight materials such as aluminum, plywood, and weather-resistant panels to keep towing effort low. Its aerodynamic shape improves efficiency on the road, while integrated storage compartments help organize equipment during extended trips. Some custom versions also include solar-powered lighting, ventilation windows, and foldable furniture for added convenience. The DIY Bike Camper from Japan showcases the ingenuity and practicality of minimalist travel. By combining mobility and shelter into a single design, it offers cyclists greater freedom and independence during their adventures. Purse at $800. Thanks for watching our look at 7 amazing bicycle campers. From compact DIY builds to fully equipped solar-powered mobile homes, these creative designs highlight the freedom and versatility of bike travel. Which camper was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.